Hi friends, so this is Sandhya and today I am here with another video and this is regarding a Nykaa haul. I have been seeing Nykaa and I realized that they are giving a quite good offers on almost all the products, almost like 20 or 30% off on all the products, and I compared the products which I added previously in the cart and I realized that it is really a good deal to shop on Nykaa at the moment. So I shopped quite few things which I had an eye on for a long time, and some of them were basic necessities which I had to buy anyways. So I'll be sharing all the products which I have bought and I'll be mentioning the prices somewhere here in the list and as well as in the description box. So if you like any of these products, you can go and check out the Nykaa website. Currently, they're having that offer as well. And today itself, I saw that they're having offers on Maybelline for 20-30% off. So you can go and avail that offer. So we'll start with the first product. And this is one of the rave products like Innisfree sheet masks. So we'll go ahead and see what I have bought from there. So one of the masks I have already used, that was a lime mask, and I am left with two more masks. Sorry, I used the aloe vera one. The lime mask is still with me. So this is real. It's real squeeze mask. So these masks are sheet masks, which you just have to you clean your face and apply a toner, then let it dry, and then you have to take it out from the packet. It's kind of sheet which and there's gel in it, so you just have to apply on your face and leave it for good 20 minutes. Then you have to remove this, and whatever gel you have, you just have to apply all over face and massage it well, and you'll feel your skin will feel really nourished and moisturized. I have used the aloe vera one, so that's the reason I'm saying you can try it yourself with just 100 rupees. So you can just order one, and if you like that, you can order many of them. They have probably 10 or 12 varieties of them. So I really like this one, and I'm yet to use this. Let's see how it goes. I've used aloe vera once, and that was like 100 rupees, and this was 100 rupees as well. And another mask which I wanted to try was this hyaluronic acid hyaluronic acid. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is basically for dry skin, and it is meant to be moisturize your skin, give all this hydration back, and I'm really excited to use this one. This was for 150 rupees, and let's see if it goes well. I'll buy all the sheets of that range and I'll do a review if you like me to do that. Otherwise, anyways, I would love to try all of these because I love the masks and it is very handy. You can just take it anywhere you want and just give yourself a relaxation period of 10 to 20 minutes, and your skin will feel nourished. So my next product are these lipsticks. I have one more lipsticks as well. So Color Bar is all-time favorite of mine. I am currently using I was using one shade which I'm wearing at the moment, and that's why I liked it. It's probably I eat lipsticks, like it does never stays on my lips. So that's the reason I always wanted a matte lipstick and which stays for a longer period of time. So you don't have to touch up these lipsticks. You can swear by these products, and these are amazing. They have probably 6 or 7 different colors. I'll buy them and do a review for you guys. So I'm more into nudes and little pink colors. I don't go for more bright colors until unless it is a very big occasion. I don't go for reds mostly. So the shades which I have bought, this one is Royal Pink 002, and this one is Mauve Dusk in the shade 006. So I'll do a swatch for you guys so that you can understand what is the color looks like. So this one, which is Kiss Proof Lip Stain shade 002, it looks like this. This is a very pretty pink color, but whenever I wear it, I feel like my face is washed off like it probably will suit a more fairer color of skin, so I don't usually wear it because I don't feel it suits my skin type. But however, it might suit some of the skin types. And anyways, color bar lipsticks I love. So whenever I feel like it matches my dress and matches my attire, I'll go for this. And my next favorite color for the color bar, which I recently used, I never go for these bright pink colors, but still I felt like I should try, and I'm quite happy that I did that. So this is a brighter kind of purple and mixed pink color, and it's a beautiful color. Like you can wear it with light daily wear things, or you can, if you want to just brighten up your dress, and you want, this is basically a more summery color, I would say, because I never went for these bright colors, but after wearing this, I am wearing it from last 2 days and I love it. The next lipstick is one of my favorites. This is, I have never bought a MAC lipstick before, and I wanted to buy one. So I used this offer, and I got this in 1350. The shade name is Matte D for Danger AC6, and I'm quite happy that I chose this color. This is a pretty pink purple kind of, I would not be able to explain you, but this is a very pretty color. I really like this color, and this was one of my most. I don't spend that much on lipsticks because we tend to buy like every shade and then now and then, and we keep on buying that. But I wanted to go for MAC lipstick, why it is most raved about, but I really understood why. It's like it has a gel based finish. Still, it stays on your lips for quite 5 hours, and it has a beautiful color. Your lips feels hydrated after using it. So I like this one. Second purchase, and I am in love with this gel eyeliner because until and unless you just smash it and remove it with your makeup remover, it is going to stay on your eyes. Because I always tend to do, like, I always rub my eyes, do things here and there, but still it stays, and I swear by this product. This is in such a formula where you don't have to press hard to get it on your eyes, and it has such a black matte color. I use it as my kajal, as my eyeliner. Whenever I need smoky eyes, I can do that as well with this. So I really swear by this product, and I'm not gonna change in your future. Probably I'll try, but my always favorite will be this Maybelline New York gel eyeliners. I love this. My next purchase was concealer because I have dark circles under my eyes, so I always wanted. I have another gel. I have another concealers as well, but I wanted to try the Color Bar product, as I told you that I like the lipstick. So I thought probably maybe I try other products as well. And this was the Color Bar stick formula kind of concealer, and this was in shade AU Natural 2002. But I am not quite happy with the product because it has not worked for me because I have extremely dry skin. And if you see, I have applied this product, and this is not probably for uh, the drier skin because it dries your skin more. So probably I'll give this to my sister who has a oily skin because it doesn't work. It looks cakey under my eyes even if I moisturize it well, or if I prep my eyes, I use a primer, but this doesn't seems to work for me. So probably it might work for the oily skin, but I'm not sure because I didn't like the consistency it has. So I'm not quite happy with the product. And with all these products, I got something for free, and this is this Lakme sunscreen shampoo, which you can see that I have already used, and I really love this. Currently, I'm using the Vichy one, which is quite a thicker formula. You have to apply like at least more than half an hour to set it up properly, and it gives a foundation kind of finish but also makes your skin looks a little bit darker, which I don't like. So probably my next purchase is gonna be Lakme SPF 50 SPF 50 plus plus. So this was a nice sachet of trial because it made me sure that I'm gonna buy this because it has a very gel kind of formula, and it doesn't clog up your skin, and you doesn't feel like you're wearing so much of sunscreen or something like that. So I'm quite happy with the purchase. My next purchase was this Garnier BB cream, because I don't like to wear foundation all the time and I don't have that much time before going to office. Neither do I like to put on so much makeup every day for my skin, because I need my skin to breathe. Okay, so that's the reason I went for this BB cream. This was very light on my pocket, and I really like the consistency. It gives you a matte finish kind of look and does make your skin look even, and it is not heavy on skin. You just need a very little amount of product, and it just blends with your skin like a dream. It doesn't look cakey like this. So I really like this product. So all these things were necessary, and I wanted to buy these things in the in the summer off season, because it was a great deal. Probably I got 300 or 400 rupees of including all those products. Anyways, I'll have all the prices listed below, and currently also they are having off. So if you find any of these products reviews helpful for you, you can go and buy that. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.